On 3, 2, engine ignition, and liftoff.
Hello, welcome to our new experimental laboratory on Mars. In your science lessons, you're going to be learning about different kinds of matter and what they're made of. So we're going to use our work here on Mars to give you a quick introduction to the kinds of ideas that you'll be learning about. My name is Deborah, but you can call me Dr. D. And I'd like you to meet my student assistants, Demetra.
Hi.
Fiona.
Hello.
And this is Gus.
Hi.
Together, we're separating out the rocks and dirt that we find on Mars to figure out what's inside it and see if it contains anything that could be useful to humans. We don't go out there and collect samples ourselves very often because we'd have to wear special suits and carry oxygen. It's easier to send the robot. Now, this dirt is a mixture of different kinds of stuff. Why don't you show everyone the different methods we use to separate dirt into its parts?
Okay. Using this method, we can separate the big bits of dirt from the small bits.
If we put some of the dirt into the scanning tunneling microscope, we can see that it's made up of molecules, and the molecules are bundles of little tiny things called atoms. Atoms are so small that there are 100 billion of them in a drop of water. There are only about 100 kinds of atoms in the whole universe. Everything is made up of combinations of those atoms.
Even lizard guts?
Yes.
Even silicon chips?
Yes.
Even my jelly beans?
Yes, even your jelly beans.
Aww.
Even the stars in the sky and the air that you breathe and the cotton in your socks, it's all made of combinations of atoms. Now let's look at our periodic table and see what atoms make up some of our more familiar things. The sun is mostly made of hydrogen atoms. The air we breathe is mostly nitrogen and oxygen atoms. You've got calcium atoms in your teeth and bones, carbon atoms in your little finger, and iron atoms in your blood and in your belt buckle too. There are potassium atoms in bananas. There are gold atoms floating around in the ocean. And there are copper atoms in a penny.